Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a quick product spotlight. We are looking at Shavemac handmade shaving brushes. So Shavemac was founded in 1956 by Mr. Bernd Bloss in Germany, and he first specialized in doing wood products and plastic and acrylic products, and it wasn't until 1995 that he started doing custom shave brushes. So these are all handmade in Germany. As far as I know, it's a one-man operation, and he's kind of known for really custom materials, really custom looks and shapes, and then really high quality knots. So years ago we stocked Shavemac back when the company was just getting started, 2010, 2011. I remember carrying these, and then it was a long time before we stocked them again, and I reached back out and I said, hey, you still got these brushes? And he does. Some of the most beautiful materials. This is like a blue marble, very cool looking, very unique. But he also has like faux ivory and faux tortoiseshell materials. This one's kind of a blend of both. And of course made in Germany. Germania. And most of these are going to feature either two-band silver tip or a regular silver tip badger brush knot. So definitely, if you're a badger fan, this is where it's at. Really high quality badger brushes here. Excited to have them. Excited for them to be back. And it's nice because in a world of Chinese made and Pakistani and Indian made everything, it's nice to see something still made in Germany that is of high quality. And we're excited to have it here. As you notice, the brushes are packaged pretty handsomely in this nice little kind of velveteen box with a outer shipper. And they've got a little care card inside for tips. Another unique one here. This is like a faux tortoiseshell in the same shape as this blue marble. So pretty cool. Really excited to have the Shavemac brushes, and we'll have to do a review soon of actually using one of these on set here. So looking forward to that. That's all I got. This was just a real quick spotlight. Ooh, looking at the Shavemac brushes. Made in Germany. Give them a look. Consider them in your shave den next. That's all I got. Matt from Razor Emporium signing out. We'll see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.